Hello everyone, welcome to another class. Let's talk about report. What is a report? We will see its definition. So let's begin. A report is a clear, structured, and factual written document that presents information on a specific topic, problem, or event. It is usually written for a particular audience with a specific purpose, such as to inform, analyze, or recommend actions. We write reports to organize facts, analyze situations, and suggest actions, all in a clear and professional format that helps people understand and make better decisions.